And hello again. All right. I think it's time to officially get started. It is 11:34 right now. We got 6 boxes, 6 hobby boxes of 2014 Topps Chrome football. I say we go ahead and get started. All right, box number 1. Hopefully we can do even better with this one than we did last time. Last time I did a 6-box break of Chrome, I think it was like 3 or 4 weeks ago. I don't remember for sure. But we got a black refractor autograph of Jimmy Garoppolo, number to 25. And looking at eBay sales, I think that was like a $200 card. So that was a huge, huge hit right there. Hopefully we can do even better this time, but even if we can't, still got plenty of room to hit something big. Alright, so I'll open all the packs first and then just go through all 24 of them. It was a little bit quicker that way. Alright, we're most of the way through here. Two more packs to go. Now one more. All right. Box number 1 out of 6 for 2014 Topps Chrome football. Starting off, we got a Devonta Freeman rookie. Oh, here's our first autograph. Jeff Janis, base auto for the Green Bay Packers. All right, and all the autographs, all the numbered cards, we'll recap at the end of the break. Jeff Janis base auto for Green Bay. A little anticlimactic for that being the first pack, but the rest of the box is always appealing too. All right, I think this is one per case. We got a 1,000-yard club refractor for Knowshon Moreno of the Broncos and another Broncos refractor, Wes Welker. All right, looks like we've got some pink coming up here. Yes, we do. A Drew Brees pink refractor, and that is numbered 156 out of 399. Drew Brees, New Orleans Saints. All right, Tom Savage 85 insert. Zach Ertz refractor. Carlos Hyde rookie. Trey Mason tall boy insert. I think 1965 is the year for that. Randall Cobb refractor. We have a Pulsar refractor of Brandon Marshall for the Bears. Whoops, sorry about that. I did skip over a refractor there by mistake. Reggie Wayne of the Colts. It can be a little hard to notice sometimes. Johnny Manziel insert. Retro Mini. Andrew Luck Fantasy Focus. Carlos Hyde 85 insert. Moving on to the second half now. Sammy Watkins 1985. Andy Dalton refractor. Got a blue wave of Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos. Julio Jones refractor. Bruce Ellington insert. Aaron Rodgers insert, Fantasy Focus. Odell Beckham Jr., 1985. Denarius Moore refractor. Sammy Watkins rookie. Jarvis Landry die cut. Marquise Lee Green refractor. Patrick Willis refractor, and we got a camo coming up at the end here. It is Randall Cobb for the Green Bay Packers, and that is numbered 83 out of 499. Randall Cobb. And there's a Jordy at the end too. Nice Packers back there. All right, second box now. Moving on. Let's get these a little further out of the way here. All right. Excuse me. Just took a little peek at the autograph there, that's all. Pretty solid player out of that. Excuse me. All right, so here we are with the second box. Derek Carr, 85 insert. Jordan Cameron refractor. Blake Bortles and Odell Beckham rookies. Those usually come together. Richard Sherman Pulsar refractor. Ndamukong Suh refractor. Jarvis Landry insert. Vernon Davis insert, Fantasy Focus. Safarian Jenkins insert. Adams and McCarron rookies. Roddy White refractor. Bridgewater rookie. AJ McCarron insert. And here's our next autograph, John Brown. He's had some big games lately for the Arizona Cardinals. A base autograph of John Brown. Derek Carr rookie. Jay Cutler refractor. You have a pink refractor of Scott Crichton, numbered 325 out of 399 for the Minnesota Vikings. All right, second half coming up now. Khalil Mack insert. Anquan Bolden refractor. Mike Evans insert. or not insert, base rookie, which is better. Jeremy Hill green rookie refractor for the Bengals. Also for the Bengals, Vontaze Burfict refractor. We have a camo refractor of Timmy Jernigan for the Ravens, numbered out of 499. Die cut of DeAnthony Thomas. Blue Wave, Reggie Bush, Detroit Lions. Sheldon Richardson, refractor. Martavis Bryant, rookie. Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie insert. Taj Boyd, insert. Brandon Cooks, rookie. Frank Gore, refractor. And an Antonio Brown, Fantasy Focus, insert. All right, that does it for the second box. Hopefully I don't run out of space here. Those packs and boxes tend to accumulate pretty quick. All right, third box now. Give a little more space there. All right. come on. There we go. Nope, not quite yet. This wrapper is a little belligerent. Let's not try to mess with anything there. Let's try to open on the other side. Sorry for that delay, guys. All right, one more pack, and then we'll be ready to see what is in the third box. All right, here we go. D'Anthony Thomas insert. Jeremy Hill rookie. CJ Mosley rookie. Muhammad Wilkerson refractor. Jimmy Garoppolo rookie. Cam Newton blue wave for the Panthers. Kendall Wright refractor. Kendall Wright base. Right next to each other. Bishop Sankey insert. DeMarco Murray insert. Fantasy Focus. Marquise Lee 85 insert. Matthew Stafford insert. Yeah, I missed the refractor there. EJ Manuel. Sorry about that. Alshon Jeffrey Pulsar refractor for the Bears. Russell Wilson refractor for the Seahawks. Jeremy Hill insert. Sorry, just a couple things on the table. Blake Bortles insert 1985. 1985. Sorry. Johnny Manziel rookie. That was an Adrian Peterson refractor. Eric Ebron green refractor rookie. Peyton Manning refractor. We got a sepia refractor here, numbered out of 99 for Josh Huff of the Philadelphia Eagles. That is 93 out of 99. So Josh Huff gets a low numbered card there, numbered to 99, sepia refractor. Trey Mason refractor. Trey Mason insert. All right, still waiting on that auto. Ace Sanders refractor. And here it is, a pink refractor autograph. This team's hitting it big. Philadelphia Eagles, once again, Jordan Matthews. Pink refractor auto, and that is numbered 73 out of 75. So in addition to the Josh Huff sepia we pulled just a few packs ago, Jordan Matthews pink auto for Philadelphia. Very, very nice. Philadelphia Eagles, big winners so far. Matthew Stafford refractor. And we have a black refractor of Taj Boyd for the Jets, numbered out of 299, 27 specifically. So the New York Jets are on the board. Zach Mettenberger insert, and that concludes the third box. All right, that was a good one right there. All right, we're halfway through box number 4. Here we go. All right. The Ravens also had a numbered card, a camo of Timmy Jernigan. I don't think the Texans have any yet, though. All right, this is starting to become a problem here. I do not have much more space to put all that trash. Sometimes it just spills on the floor. All right. Box number 4. All right away. We have our first autograph. Ha Ha Clinton, well, our only autograph for the box, but Ha Ha Clinton Dix for the Green Bay Packers. I think that was the first box, too. Very first pack was a Packers autograph. First Jeff Janis, now Ha Ha Clinton Dix for the Green Bay Packers. All right. Haven't hit on a big superstar yet, but we've gotten some pretty good players for these autos. All right. Shove some, yeah, whenever I push it on the chair, though, it ends up going to the floor no matter what. But, all right, Jarvis Landry Refractor. I'll find a way to manage this somehow, some way. Kelvin Benjamin rookie, Michael Sam insert. AJ McCarron insert. Greg Robinson Refractor. Julius Thomas Fantasy Focus. Tom Brady Fantasy Focus. Brandon Marshall, Blue Wave Refractor, and a base right behind that. Dante Moncrief Refractor. Logan Thomas insert. Odell Beckham rookie. Darrelle Revis Pulsar. Bridgewater 85 insert. Clinton Dix Refractor. Devontae Adams, AJ McCarron. That was a Craig Loston Refractor for the Jags. Derek Carr rookie. Jake Matthews Refractor. We have a mini refractor here, numbered 48 out of 99, David Fales of the Chicago Bears. Timmy Jernigan refractor for the Ravens. Allen Robinson die cut refractor. Teddy Bridgewater. Fit a lot of the big base rookies in this box. Taj Boyd insert. Cody Latimer insert. Trent Murphy Green refractor. Johnny Manziel base refractor. And we have a camo of Justin Tuck. And that is numbered 99 out of 499 for the Oakland Raiders. All right, Kelvin Benjamin insert, and that does it for the fourth box. All right, we're 2/3 through. Still got 2 more chances for a big hit, though. Oh, shit. Okay, so box number 5. T.Y. Hilton Blue Wave Refractor. Actually, move this up a little bit. All right. Troy Polamalu Refractor. Artavis Bryant Mini Retro insert. Paul Richardson 85 insert. Andre Johnson Refractor. Eddie Lacy insert. Jeremy Hill insert. Excuse me. All right, Matt Ryan Refractor. Cam Newton Fantasy Focus. Rob Gronkowski Pulsar Refractor for the Patriots. Colin Kaepernick Refractor. Mike Evans Mini Retro insert. All right. No numbered cards or autographs yet. They're coming up. Hopefully. Michael Sam insert. Drew Brees Refractor. Sammy Watkins rookie. DeAnthony Thomas die cut Refractor. Larry Fitzgerald Refractor. We have a blue refractor numbered to 199 of Jerick McKinnon for the Minnesota Vikings. That is 140 out of 199. So a blue refractor, Jerick McKinnon. All right, we have a CJ Mosley green refractor for the Ravens. Julius Thomas refractor. Devontae Freeman rookie. Here's our autograph. Robert Herron base auto for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. RH. Looks like R plus sign, but Robert Herron for the Tampa Bay Bucks base auto. All right. We have a refractor for Luke Kuechly. And we have a gold coming up here, a gold insert. Kelvin Benjamin, gold refractor, 1985. That is numbered to 75. So that's really nice right there. Carolina Panthers getting a nice low-numbered insert there. Kelvin Benjamin, gold refractor insert out of 75. Carolina. I feel like all the hits have been NFC teams so far. Packers, Eagles, Cardinals, and Bucks had autos. I think the low-numbered cards, Carlos Hyde rookie, Allen Robinson insert. I think the low-numbered cards under 100 were Eagles and the Panthers just now. So if you have an NFC team, you've done great so far. Charles Sims insert. All right. One more box to go. Maybe an AFC team can break the streak here. Who knows? Regardless of conference, hopefully we can end on a high note. Certainly have before. All right. All right, final box here. Here we go. Johnny Manziel insert. Trey Mason refractor. Michael Sam die cut refractor. Sammy Watkins rookie. Scott Crichton green for the Vikings. Karan Reed refractor. Jordan Matthews rookie. Excuse me. Blue refractor of Deone Bucannon for the Arizona Cardinals. That is 125 out of 199. Deone Bucannon. Jimmy Garoppolo insert. Trent Murphy refractor. Demaryius Thomas insert. Fantasy Focus. Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie blue wave refractor for the New York Giants. Scott Crichton refractor. Again. Derek Carr mini insert. All right, second half now. Carlos Hyde rookie. We have our final autograph here. Mike Davis, base auto for the Oakland Raiders. So the NFC streak is broken after all. Mike Davis autograph for Oakland. Devontae Freeman rookie. Tom Brady 4,000 yard club case hit refractor. Eric Ebron refractor in the same pack. We have a camo number to 499 of Storm Johnson for the Jacksonville Jaguars. That is 85 out of 499. Bishop Sankey insert. Jeremy Hill, rookie refractor. Paul Richardson, tall boy insert. Marquise Lee, refractor. Jamal Charles, insert. Geno Smith, Pulsar, refractor. Jimmy Garoppolo, refractor. Tom Savage, insert. Allen Robinson, 1985 insert. All right, so that does it for the 6 boxes of Topps Chrome Football. Before I officially sign off, I will recap all the numbered and autograph hits. Here we go. Storm Johnson camo out of 499 for the Jags. Mike Davis auto for the Raiders. Dion Buchanan blue out of 199, Arizona. Kelvin Benjamin, 1985 gold refractor. Pretty nice hit there. Number to 75 for Carolina. Robert Herron autograph for the Bucks. Jarrett McKinnon blue refractor out of 199 for the Vikings. Justin Tuck camo out of 499 for Oakland. David Fales, I think 1960s, one of those years, mini refractor numbered out of 99 for the Bears. Ha Clinton Dix auto for the Packers. Taj Boyd blue out of 299 for the Jets. Jordan Matthews pink refractor autograph out of 75 for the Philadelphia Eagles. Also for the Eagles, really big box for them. Josh Huff Sepia refractor numbered to 99. Timmy Jernigan of the Baltimore Ravens camo out of 499. Scott Crichton pink out of 399 for the Vikings. John Brown autograph, Arizona. Randall Cobb camo out of 499 for the Bears. Drew Brees pink out of 399 for the Saints. And our last autograph, Jeff Janis of the Green Bay Packers. So that officially concludes the 6-box break of 2014 Topps Chrome Football. I've got a whole bunch of breaks going on for the next week. You know, obviously, I have to advertise whenever I can. A little shameless plugging. So be sure to check those out, or else. Well, anyway, thank you guys for showing up. Thanks for putting up with me for the full hour it took to do the break. But anyway, thank you guys so much. Hope to see you again soon.